just tell us when to change and stuff. Had one too many drinks, and my head's about to sink. Hear the sticky mess of booze, put it on the bar. Bartender, bring some more down here, 'cause I'm trying to drown my tears. Buying rounds, but I'm drinking by myself. I need to get up, but I don't want to, and I should probably leave here soon. I must look like a big damn fool. The seat fell from my car wrapped around my bar stool. Been sitting here a little too long, 'cause every song is my favorite song. Singing every verse just as loud as my voice will go. And I'm getting some dirty looks from the waiters and some of the cooks, 'cause I'm singing louder than the music on the jukebox. I need to get up, but I don't want to, and I should probably leave here soon. I must look like a big damn fool. The seat fell from my car wrapped around my bar stool. Her last call. I guess it's time for me to get out of here, y'all. Well, I tried to leave, the bartender called me a cab, and throwing me out of the bar. Hell, I'll go sleep it off of my car. I pray to God they don't tow me away while I sleep. 'Cause if I get up and try to drive, and I'll never make it home alive. The driver's seat belt is still wrapped around my stool. I need to get up, but I don't want to, and I should probably leave here soon. I must look like a big damn fool. The seat fell from my car wrapped around my bar stool. I must look like a big damn fool. Seatbelt from my car